Hello, and welcome to another Divi Booster tutorial. In this video, we'll look at how to add the post status option to Divi's dynamic content feature. Divi's dynamic content is a powerful tool for customizing your post and page templates with content that's specific to each post. You might already know that it lets you display details like the post created date. However, one thing it doesn't include by default is the ability to show the post status. For example, whether a post is published, a draft, or scheduled. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to make the post status option available in the dynamic content menu so you can integrate it into your designs effortlessly. Let's get started. To add the post status option in Divi's dynamic content, we'll use the Divi Dynamic Content Extended plugin. By default, Divi doesn't include a post status feature, but this plugin makes it simple to add and use. Stick around as we walk through how to make this enhancement. To get started, you'll need the Divi Dynamic Content Extended plugin. This plugin is an excellent tool that enhances Divi's dynamic content capabilities, adding many new options, including the post status feature we're focusing on here. If you don't already have it, you can purchase and download the plugin directly from the link provided in the accompanying post. The plugin is available with different licensing options, so you can choose the one that fits your needs, whether it's for a single site, 3 sites, or unlimited sites. Once you've got the plugin, simply install and activate it on your WordPress site as you would with any other plugin. After that, you'll be ready to move forward with adding post status to your dynamic content settings. To begin, navigate to the page where you want to make the changes. Once you're on the page, look at the WordPress admin bar at the top of your screen. There, you'll see a button labeled Enable Visual Builder. Click this button to open the page in the Divi Builder, where you can start editing. Next, locate the module where you'd like to display the post status. For this example, we'll use a text module. Find the text module on your page and click the Settings icon to open the Module Settings panel. Now, find the setting where you'd like to add the post status. Hover over the field, and you should see an icon that looks like a small database symbol appear next to it. This is the Dynamic Content icon. Click on the icon to open the Dynamic Content menu and proceed with the next step. In the Dynamic Content menu, you'll now see a list of options available. Look through the menu and find the one labeled Post Status. Once you've located it, simply click on it to select it. This will set the field to dynamically display the status of your post. At this point, you should see that the field has been set to display the post's status. In the Visual Builder preview, the text module will now dynamically show the status of the current post. For instance, if it's a new post, you'll see Draft. If the post has already been published, it will display Published. This confirms that the dynamic content is working as expected. If you'd like to customize the display further by adding text before or after the post status, you can do that using the Dynamic Content field settings. To access these options, simply click on the Settings icon next to the Dynamic Content field. This will open up the Settings panel where you can make these adjustments. If you'd like to personalize the way the post status is displayed, you can add text before or after it. For instance, you might want to add something like, "The post status is before the actual status." To do this, simply go into the Dynamic Content settings and enter your desired text in the appropriate field. This gives you the flexibility to provide additional context or styling to your dynamic content display. After customizing your dynamic content settings, remember to save your changes. Simply click the Save button to ensure your updates are applied. This will lock in your adjustments and prepare the field for use in your design. Once you've finished making your changes in the module settings, don't forget to save them. To do this, simply click the green checkmark button located at the bottom of the Module Settings panel. This step ensures that all your edits are applied to the module. When you're finished making your changes, it's time to save the entire page. To do this, Open the Page Settings toolbar by clicking the purple three dots button located at the bottom of the Visual Builder. Once the toolbar opens, click the Save button to apply all your updates to the page. Now it's time to see the results. Visit your page on the front end, and you should see the post's status dynamically displayed in the module. Whether the post is a draft, published, or scheduled, the correct status will now appear seamlessly within your design. You've now successfully added the post status to your Divi module using the Divi Dynamic Content Extended plugin. This simple enhancement can add useful flexibility to your designs by displaying post statuses dynamically. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching.